This is Barry Oakley. What started as a small acorn that stood his ground grew to be a massive red oak tree in my neighbor's yard. Many of squirrels have called him home. Many children have climbed his branches. He has cast much shade, but sadly, his time has come. The center portion of Barry Oakley is completely rotten. They called out this crew that did an amazing job at avoiding all the power lines and taking Barry Oakley down piece by piece. I got to know this guy just a little bit. He was nice enough to donate a couple of logs. As you can see, he was a really cool guy. I think his name was Josh. But check out the center of Barry Oakley there and all that rotten center. And then to the left, you'll see that full-grown human being. Look how tall that tree is. Here, Barry Oakley makes his last stand.
Come on.
I was able to get 2 logs. One was a little over 9 feet long. The other was just about 7 foot long. Because this is just a small operation on a friend's farm, we cut the 9-foot log into 2 4.5-foot sections. We will use this lumber in a high school classroom. The smaller pieces are more manageable not only by the students, but also on the machines. By no means are we professionals at sawing lumber. But we're able to use this wood in the classroom for the students to build really cool projects. We cut some 4/4 lumber or 1 inch thick, and we also cut some 3/4 inch thick lumber. typically build smaller projects in the classroom, so this lumber is ideal for them. Though it is sad to see Barry Oakley go, he will live on.